Self-regulation refers to our ability to manage our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. So what are the skills that predict school success for young children? Researchers identified these key skills: receptive language, or the ability to understand words; visual memory, which is the ability to recall information such as activities, pictures, or words that the child has viewed previously; cooperation, which is simply the process of working together toward a common goal; and self-control, which I am absolutely certain you can define based on the struggles your young children may have with this skill. The Abrams Learning Trends researchers found something very interesting. Self-regulation skills were the most important predictor of school success through third grade. I sometimes think that is because of a place in school called the Teacher's Lounge, where teachers discuss their problem children as they eat lunch. Little kindergartner Tommy may be described as a nightmare because he can't control his body, he doesn't play nicely with other children, he is terrible at waiting his turn, and the list goes on. The first through third grade teachers hearing this information are very nervous about Tommy being one of their students someday. However, think about this. If Tommy was struggling with reading or math, what would a teacher do? Teach him reading and math. And yet we hold children to a different standard when it comes to executive function and social emotional skills. Many children are simply not emotionally mature enough yet, but those skills are emerging. The child may need more time, your good intentional teaching, and your loving, caring, positive praise. This is the kid we want to send to kindergarten. He will tell you that he is amazing at working dinosaur puzzles. He knows the letters in his name. He has great friendship skills, and he is ready for kindergarten.
Every child deserves the right start. Sing, play, love. Come for the fun. Stay for the learning.
Sing, play, love.